Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the Kaiser University Football Stadium as we're here for the final regular season matchup of the 2020 season as the Kaiser Seahawks face the Ave Maria Gyrenes. Defenders, as this could be something here. Jacobs weaving past the shot and a goal! Lucas Jacobs with the incredible individual effort weaving past defenders to give Kaiser a 1-0 lead. Julius Fassbender as this is deflected towards the goal. Now it's popped up in the air. It's headed and it's in. Played into the box. It was deflected by Jacobs towards the goal as Espino on senior day scores and gives Kaiser a 2-0 lead. Fassbender approaching. A beautiful curve. It's off the post again. Now a shot by Gonzalez and it's a goal. A beautiful strike from about 20 yards out by Gonzalez for the third Seahawk goal of the game. Abreu touches back now for Morera. Morera trying to put it into the box. He's going to find Gonzalez, who heads it past the keeper for another goal. 2:44 remaining in the game. Kaiser now makes it 4-0.